Did you know that according to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, 1 in 2 women over the age of 50 will break a bone due to osteoporosis? That's why it's crucial to focus on maintaining strong and healthy bones. And one of the best ways to do that is by consuming calcium-rich foods. Hello, and welcome to Offered Health, where we discuss everything related to health and wellness. In today's video, we'll be talking about boosting bone health with 20 foods packed with calcium specifically for women. As we age, our bones become more fragile and prone to fractures, which is why it's important to make sure we're getting enough calcium in our diets. In this video, we'll be discussing 20 delicious and nutritious foods that are packed with calcium, ranging from plant-based options like leafy greens and nuts to animal-based options like dairy and fish. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to incorporate these foods into your diet and start boosting your bone health. So, let's get started. Why calcium is important for women's health. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health. Bones are constantly breaking down and rebuilding, and calcium is necessary for the rebuilding process. Calcium also helps muscles contract, nerves transmit signals, and blood clot. Unfortunately, many women do not get enough calcium in their diets, which can lead to a higher risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Calcium deficiency can also cause other health problems, such as high blood pressure and irregular heartbeat. The recommended daily calcium intake for women varies depending on age and other factors, but generally, women between the ages of 19-50 should aim for 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day, while women over 50 should increase their intake to 1,200 milligrams per day. Now that we understand the importance of calcium for women's health, let's talk about some calcium-rich plant-based foods that can be easily incorporated into a balanced diet. First on the list are leafy greens, such as kale, spinach, and collard greens. These veggies are not only packed with calcium, but also provide other essential nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber. 1 cup of cooked kale, for example, contains around 100 mg of calcium, which is about 10% of the daily recommended intake for women. Another great plant-based source of calcium is tofu, a versatile protein made from soybeans. A half-cup serving of tofu contains around 250 mg of calcium, making it an excellent option for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. In addition, tofu is low in calories and high in protein, making it a great addition to salads, stir-fries, and smoothies. Lastly, let's not forget about almonds, a delicious and healthy snack that is also an excellent source of calcium. A 1/4 cup of almonds contains around 95 milligrams of calcium, as well as healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds can be eaten as a snack, added to oatmeal or yogurt, or used as a topping for salads or roasted vegetables. When it comes to incorporating these plant-based foods into your diet, it's important to find creative ways to make them appealing and enjoyable. For example, you can make a tasty kale salad with a citrusy dressing, add tofu to a veggie stir-fry, or make almond butter and spread it on whole grain toast. In addition to their calcium content, these plant-based foods also offer other unique nutritional benefits. For instance, leafy greens contain high levels of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health by regulating calcium absorption. Almonds, on the other hand, are a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from damage. So, by incorporating these foods into your diet, you can not only boost your calcium intake, but also reap the benefits of their other nutrients. Moving on to animal-based sources of calcium, there are plenty of options to choose from. The most common source of calcium is dairy products, including milk, cheese, and yogurt. These foods are not only rich in calcium, but also provide other important nutrients, such as vitamin D and protein. Fish is another excellent source of calcium, particularly small fish with edible bones, such as sardines and canned salmon. These types of fish provide an easily absorbable form of calcium, along with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are also a good source of calcium, particularly the yolks. While eggs are not as rich in calcium as dairy products or fish, they are still a nutritious addition to any diet, providing protein, vitamins, and minerals. When choosing animal-based sources of calcium, it's important to opt for the healthiest options. For example, choose low-fat dairy products to limit saturated fat intake and choose wild-caught fish to avoid exposure to pollutants. Incorporating a variety of animal-based calcium sources into your diet can help ensure that you are meeting your daily calcium needs while also benefiting from the other nutrients these foods provide. Now that we've covered a variety of calcium-rich foods, let's put them into action with some simple and delicious recipes. One easy recipe is a spinach and tofu stir-fry, which combines calcium-rich tofu with leafy greens. Another option is a Greek yogurt parfait with almonds and berries, which provides a calcium boost from both the yogurt and nuts. In addition to these specific recipes, there are plenty of ways to incorporate calcium-rich foods into your meals throughout the day. For breakfast, try oatmeal with chia seeds and almond milk. For lunch, have a salmon and avocado salad with leafy greens. And for dinner, make a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry with tofu or shrimp. Planning ahead can make it easier to ensure you're getting enough calcium in your diet. Consider meal prepping calcium-rich foods, like roasted almonds or baked salmon, to have on hand for snacks or easy additions to meals. You can also make a grocery list with calcium-rich foods in mind, and plan your meals for the week based on those ingredients. With a little bit of planning and creativity, it's easy to incorporate these calcium-rich foods into your daily routine. Overall, boosting your bone health with calcium-rich foods is a simple and effective way to support your overall health and well-being. By incorporating a variety of plant-based and animal-based sources of calcium into your diet and being mindful of your daily intake, you can help to prevent the risks associated with calcium deficiency and support strong, healthy bones for years to come. As we wrap up this video on boosting your bone health with 20 calcium-rich foods for women, it's important to remember that incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Whether you choose to incorporate plant-based or animal-based sources of calcium, it's important to make sure you're meeting your daily recommended intake to reduce the risk of bone-related health issues. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to achieving optimal health. By taking small steps to include these calcium-rich foods in your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards improving your overall health and well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep nourishing your body with the foods it needs to thrive.